They're holding in there.
The Tiny Hawk remotes for the bike, the ready to flies, actually that part's pretty cool.
Right, we're at the front of Diatone. Let's go find out what we've got in store for us.
So I guess first impressions with a couple of flights on this. I can't wait to see the 2S version. I definitely want to take this thing out, rip it outside. We're gonna hit the elevator button, ride our way to the top. If you want to change some of the settings on your camera, you can do all that through the VTX. So,
G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here. So Cal and myself, we've been stuck in a taxi for about an hour. We have no idea where we are, but we're going to check out GearBest HQ.
it's like a potato.
Look at this for a welcome.
How many times have we mentioned XJBs, XJBs, XJBs?
The noise floor is at about minus 105 in Hong Kong.
Stick around, this is going to be an unreal video.